everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will tell you about all of the updates and news made in Zoho software during the past 2 months. There have been a lot of major updates across different platforms of Zoho software and I will tell you everything about them. But before we begin this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button not to miss any useful information that we share here. If you want to stay updated with all of the Zoho news, you can join our weekly newsletter or our Zoho communities on Facebook and LinkedIn. I will leave the links down below in the description box and you can join our communities and stay up to date with all of the updates Zoho makes. So let's get on into the video and we will start off from the Sales app and from Zoho CRM. First of all, a new feature of Best Finder can help you to build more holistic customer journeys. Also, a very important feature of SMS notifications added to Zoho CRM to notify your clients. Also, Zoho CRM added templates for your WhatsApp messages to contact your customers. And another great update is Wizard support in portals. Zoho CRM also enabled you to customize your unsubscribed landing page. There are also important enhancements to your homepage and dashboards. There are profile-based homepage sharing, accessing multiple homepages, and dashboard support in copy customization. Enhancements in threshold for assignment include setting limits on record assignment, setting limits on backlogs, and automatic reallocation. Zoho also enabled voice recording fields in calls module. And there were some exciting updates to mail merge, inventory module support, importing PDF support, and image field support added. And some amazing updates for strategy influencer to analyze your business. They added target contributors, anomaly finder, gap analyzer, predictor, and prescriptor. Zoho CRM also added performance analysis in forecasting with performance trends, achievement comparison, comparing cross forecasts, and user performance page. They also added new custom forecasting categories that include pipeline, best case, committed, closed won, and omitted. Now there is also an ability to add custom domain mapping for your Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM also added email credibility dashboard to track your account's email sending practices. And there is also a lot of updates for hassle-free error management in CRM wizards. There is enhanced error handling for save button, prioritizing essential fields, notification for orphan screens, streamlining button functionality, record image support in wizards, and customizing the tab button navigation. And a great update to saved filters in Zoho CRM. First of all, increased limits twice from 5 to 10 saved filters and personalized ordering of the saved filters in Zoho CRM. And there was a massive upgrade to module data export in Zoho CRM. First of all, the export limit has been increased by a lot. Previously, the limit was 3,000 records for an export, and now it's 200,000 records per export. And there are some additional features like downloading and export multiple times and selecting and exporting the data you need by the list view or based on criteria. And great news is that sign-up form is now available for CRM portals. And last but not least, there is a ready-made integration of Zoho CRM with MongoDB. If you want to try this extension, the link will be down below in the description box. Moving on to Zoho Bigin, a CRM for small business, there's enhancements in duplicates cleanups. Now notifications will be split into 3 sections: feeds, reminders, and system notifications. With the new update in Zoho Bigin, there's also 2 options while deleting a user: deletion without transferring records and deletion after transferring the records. And there is a new target meter component in dashboards with the types of dial gauge, traffic light, single bar, and multiple bars. And there is also a new create record action in workflows. And there have been some enhancements made to Bigin stage transition rules. And also now you have an option to clone custom views in Zoho Bigin. And the last update in sales apps is in Zoho Booking, and they introduced a new feature, in-person locations. With this feature, you can add physical locations to your services and efficiently manage multiple services occurring at different locations. Now let's move on to marketing app, starting off from marketing automation because it got a lot of updates. So this is a major update to Zoho Marketing Automation. Now you can create beautiful landing pages, create complex multi-step workflows with ease. Also, there's a segmentation engine, multi-channel engagement, personalized campaigns, a full-on marketing planner, and advanced analytics and reporting to keep track of all of your marketing activities. And moving on to Zoho Social, it also has a major update introducing Inbox. With it, you can track interactions across social media channels, reply to them with Zia, assign different interactions to your team, view the history of all of the interactions between the users and the brand, also follow and share an interaction, and also group interactions using views. Now it's time to move on to service apps, and starting off from Zoho Desk. So some of the updates in Zoho Desk include allowing agents to share snippets, agent view as a separate entity in article insights, and preview the visibility of fields within the layouts. There were also some updates in Zoho Desk's instant messaging that include sending a message from the contacts module, sending a message from the tickets module, simplified analysis of reasons for message delivery failures, comprehensive analytics of credit users and payment history, easy ticketing from the within, interactive message templates, monthly pricing plans for line official accounts, and also there's an upcoming update of Facebook Messenger. The next apps that I want to talk about are finance apps like Zoho Books and Zoho Invoice. Starting off from new feature updates related to taxes, there is a text amount override in Canada edition, TDS amount override in Global edition, audit trail in Canada edition, and configuring date range of TCS rates in India edition. And there were some new updates that can help you to reject transfer orders and inventory adjustments and prevent duplicate payments. And we're moving on to the updates in Zoho Invoice. There's a TDS override for transactions in Global edition, importing customers with duplicate names, correction invoice in Germany edition, redirect, and preventing duplicate payments. Moving on to the updates in Zoho Billing, you can now enable SSO directly from Preferences, associate one-time add-ons from the customer portal, import customers with duplicate names, there's a new correction invoice in Germany edition, redirection URL after adding or updating payment method, and you can now easily prevent duplicate payments. The next app is Zoho Inventory. So there's a new feature of signals, allowing duplicate batch numbers, sharing item details with SAT in Mexico edition, ABN validation using ABR in Australia edition, introducing text number and buying reference number in Germany edition, TDS override in Global edition, and settings revamp. Now let's move on to HR apps. So there's an update in Zoho Recruit with a new feature of hiring manager reviews that can help you to get a seamless candidate submissions, effortless hiring manager review, increasing collaboration and enhancing team productivity, and there's also customizable workflows for tailored solutions. Moving on to Zoho Analytics and Zoho Creator, and let's see what updates Zoho have made there. Starting off from Zoho Analytics, now it has a new chart type, tree map. There are also chart styling enhancements and changes in default report for a single metric column. Also, IBM Informix, a live connect. Other new updates in Zoho Analytics include data synonyms in Ask Zia, ChatGPT integration, new notification types in Zoho Analytics, the dashboard app, and new API releases. And we're now moving to the updates in Zoho Creator. There's a new app menu builder with intuitive drag and drop interface, hierarchical menus, and customization options. You can now also set notification preferences in Zoho Creator. And there's quite a few updates to the subforms in Zoho Creator. First of all, subform list and pop-up view. And by the way, the new list view type is being extended to mobile apps too. And there's a drag and drop custom sorting and deluge tasks for row-level actions. And also, Zoho has announced that they will upgrade Catalyst. Using Catalyst, developers will be able to build a wide spectrum of solutions and products such as native mobile apps, hybrid apps, event-driven apps, progressive web pages, single-page apps, custom machine learning models, cross-platform apps using Flutter, NLU-based chatbots, microservices, and much more. So we're staying very, very excited for this update. And obviously, we need to talk about collaboration apps and project management. Starting off from Zoho projects that got a major update. First of all, there's enhancements to user interface. Now it's much more intuitive and much more convenient to use. Second of all, there's Gantt charts and any projects and more customization options. Also, there's enhancements in the workflows and automation and contextual UI enhancements. Moving on to Zoho Sheet that also got a major update. First of all, now you can sync contextual data from other services. Also, there are new dynamic spreadsheet fields. And Zia that is growing with OpenAI integration and has more AI capabilities. There is also a feature of predefined table and comprehensive collaboration records, and also new ways to format your spreadsheets and handy improvements for your handheld devices. And there is also a Zia update in Zoho Writer. Using Zia, you can now generate content from scratch or edit existing content. Moving on to Zoho Cliq that got a lot of updates. First of all, there's a smooth conference room meetings with the Cliq Rooms app. Also, a full-fledged live virtual event can be hosted with Zoho Cliq. E-discovery, data retention policy, and audit logs enchantments. Also, a new low-code serverless extensive developer platform that allows organizations to build, integrate, and run custom apps, and new AI enhanced collaboration with Zia. And also, Zoho Meeting got a level up in remote collaboration with Zoho Meeting Room function. And the last app on the list is Zoho Connect that got a lot of different updates. First of all, they added a live broadcast feature, also a personal dashboards. You can now save posts as drafts. There is a new integration with Zoom, a new feature of voice notes, permission-based user roles for groups, and also panel for recent updates. You can see how huge the amount of updates that Zoho made across different platforms is during only past 2 months. Again, if you want to stay up to date with all of the updates and not to miss any new features that Zoho releases in its software, make sure to join our communities over Facebook or LinkedIn and join our weekly newsletter. All of the links will be down below in the description box. And in the description box, you can also find a link where you can book a free 30-minute consultation with one of our experts to learn more about Zoho implementation, integration, service, and customization. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button, and I will see you in the next week's video.